G'day, I'm Melissa Shanhun, founder of digitalscrapbookinghq.com, and I'm here to show you how you can grab yourself a free Photoshop Elements trial. Now, Adobe Photoshop Elements 2025 is available for a 7-day free trial. You don't have to enter your credit card information, it's just an instant download. You can download this software to Windows or Mac. I'm on Windows, but the process is basically the same for Mac. So let's click on the Windows download. You can access all of the features of Photoshop Elements while you're using the trial version. Now, here we have the prices. This is in Australian dollars because I'm Australian, but for the US it's $99 and the upgrade is $79. So if you have any previous version of Photoshop Elements, you're eligible for the upgrade price. You can also buy the bundle of Photoshop Elements and Premiere Elements together, and you can also grab a student and teachers discount if you're a student or teacher, or you can get the upgrade price if you have any previous version of the software. So now Photoshop Elements is downloaded. We're going to head into our downloads folder to install it. Now, whether you're on a Mac or a PC, you just need to run the installer file and click yes, you want to allow it to make changes to your computer. And then when it's done, it'll open up Photoshop Elements 2025. Because I have Photoshop and Premiere Elements, I have 3 options here that I can click through. We've got our photo editor, which is where you do your digital scrapbooking or photo editing. We've got the video editor, where obviously we can edit videos. And then we've got the organizer. If you would like to learn more about using Photoshop Elements Organizer, you can jump on my Organizer for Absolute Beginners class or get Organized Supplies, which is for organizing your scrapbook supplies in Photoshop Elements Organizer.
You have a pile of digital scrapbooking supplies scattered everywhere over your desktop, in your downloads folders, on external drives. You're in the right place. Inside Get Organized Supplies is a simple 5-step system that you can use to get yourself organized without spending hours tagging every single supply you own. I'll show you how to use my ready-made keywords along with the automatic features in Photoshop Elements Organizer so that you can get organized and stay organized and spend your time scrapbooking and telling the stories you love. So you'll end up with a pile of completed albums rather than another external hard drive filled with supplies. So if that sounds good to you, you want to click on the link below to join me in class.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, click subscribe, and then click on the down arrow and select all so you'll be notified each time I release a new video. And if you'd like to learn more, you can always head to digitalscrapbookinghq.com.